What's up guys, it's Finerrz here and welcome to the FA Cup third round. It's the magic of the cup. We're already at the ground, no travelling today in this vlog as I've actually been working in Wolverhampton. I've only walked down the road, got back to the car. We're ready, we're in the Stancullis car park, very excited. Magic of the FA Cup and all that, and Wolves will need some magic. We've got Liverpool in the third round, but first round that Wolves will be playing in. Obviously we faced Liverpool 2 years ago now. That was a very nice day. One of my favourite ever vlogs really, one of the first ever ones I did, but one of my favourites. And yeah, hoping we can recreate that today. Obviously played Liverpool just a few weeks ago and I thought they were insane. Just we never looked like scoring. So hopefully Van Dijk isn't there, hopefully Salah isn't there. It's a bit of a rotated team. Hopefully John Ruddy gets a game, all these hopefullys. But yeah, we'll get in there. I'm here quite early actually, so I'm waiting for the rest of my my family and friends to actually turn up. But very excited. As for a score prediction, we'll get everyone else's later, but I want to see the teams, but I'll give an early one and then maybe change it when I see the teams. But for now, I'll say we're going to get a 1-1 draw and take it back to Anfield, and you know what happens then. Oh my God! We've seen some great results in the FA Cup over the weekend. Hopefully that magic carries on a little bit. Wolves somewhat, well, definitely underdogs in this one. Hopefully that magic can carry on, and yeah, let's get in there.
I'm always going for a Wolves win, but I'm not going to go for too much this time. They are top of the league. They're going to want to win a game after the City game. I'm going to go Wolves 2-1. And that's only because I was here at Palace last week. I would have gone 3-1, but I'm going to go Wolves 2-1 today.
I think we're going to beat them 3-1 easily. Up the Wolves.
Wolves are going to win 2-1.
So about 40 minutes till kick-off. We're out in the seats now, but we're here with Louis. What are you thinking for a score prediction, mate?
3-1 Wolves.
3-1
Jimenez
Wolves.
score a hat-trick.
Oh, bold. Obviously Bonatini not even in the squad, so Jimenez is back up front. That does sort of tell a lot for Bonatini. I think he'll be off in the next week probably. It'd be sad to see him go, but you know, it's football, no room for sentiment and all that. But yeah, 40 minutes to go, team is out. Quite a few changes, going with Moutinho in that Morgan Gibbs White position, so hopefully we can do something with that. But I'm going to stick with the 1-1, maybe a 2-1, maybe we'll sneak it, yeah, 2-1 Wolves, come on. Slow start here as Lovren's just been brought off. 5 minutes on the clock for another youngster. Kijana Hoover has come on for Lovren. He hobbled around for a few minutes, then he decided to sit down. And now I think Liverpool are winning. If you were to add up the numbers on the back of the shirts, if you know what I mean, I think there's a 64 in there, 48, 51. So they're definitely winning on that front. A lot of teenagers in there. But yeah, game really hasn't got going yet. Do the VAR thing. Do the VAR. Do the VAR. Already 34 minutes in now. Nothing much happening. Shaqiri had one chance, it's just our mistake, brought it on ourselves. A few corners, a few long throws. Doesn't feel like we're playing a giant. Doesn't feel like it's a giant killing game. Just feels like a good Premier League game to be fair. But yeah, nothing of note happened. That's 7 for the season now. What a guy, sign him up.
But no one was anywhere near him. Jota took him out. Come on, Wolves! Come on! Your hat-trick's on, Louis. Go on then. Oh,
So half time, 1-0, absolutely dreamland. Liverpool have been so poor and thankfully we've taken advantage. But yeah, not much else to say. 1-0 up. Obviously Liverpool will come out different in the second half. Got Mane, Salah, Firmino on the bench, so it would definitely be a different second half. But if you'd sum it up in a face, start with you, Lou. What are you thinking? I'm going to go. We're going to do a joint face.
Here we go.
So poor from Wolves. It's been a game of mistakes, really, and that just typifies it. It's not even a word, is it? But yeah, Cody gives the ball away. Some stupid pass to Johnny. Obviously, didn't get it. Comes back across. Wolves don't clear it, and Origi, the potential Wolves target, puts it in. 51 minutes gone. We're also bringing Caballero on now. 5 minutes into the half. 6 minutes into the half, even. And yeah, mountain to climb again. So annoying. All the hard work undone. Ruben Neves, absolute, second of the season, it's about time. First one from open play for Neves of the season. Perfect timing, so just thrown into the game. Absolutely unreal hit, just watching it here. Vinagre lays it off to him, hits it about 25 yards out. Bottom corner, no saving it, come on. See there,
Unlucky.
hit the post. That's Liverpool, so close to the goal line twice in 2 games. Obviously that Man City one, that one won't please him very much either. But
Ain't got
more
it, has
pressing,
it?
no, more pressing matter is that a certain number 11, Mr. Mo Salah, is about to come on, along with his mate Bobby Firmino. Isn't too bad either. So Liverpool are going for it now. 20 minutes to go, and they're bringing on the big guns. Obviously, that's all their subs gone. Oof.
One of the back post.
Away! And then, hey up. So about 10 minutes to go now. It's going to be a very long 10 minutes. Jimenez off, Costa on. For me, wanted to see Traore come on, but it never happens. He absolutely loves Costa, so we've sort of given into that now. Sort of know that Costa's going to come on every game. Anyway, yeah, still 2-1 up. 10 minutes to go. Come on, hold it. 3 minutes added time. Been hardly any stoppages to be fair, just a few subs, so it's probably about fair. Going to be a long 3 minutes, but then again, that 10 went very, very quickly. We're having a lot of the ball, not doing much with it. I think we could have got more, but let's definitely take this now. Oh, come on, 3 more minutes to hold on. Then again, Salah could be in here, he touches it down. Oh, so calm from Wolves at the back. Oh, come on, must be 2 minutes left now. Come on, please, is there, please? Flipping it, Neves to score from his own half here. Away! Mignolet thinks he's a striker.
Come on, Wolves!
Away! Come on! Yeah!
Come on, Wolves! Spurs. Oh.
So back home now, and Wolves have done it in, what was it? It was a game against a very weakened Liverpool team. I think if Van Dijk was in there, you wouldn't have seen a game like that. But you've got to beat what's in front of you, and we did. Not so much a giant killing because, you know, the Salahs, the Firminos, the Manes, the Van Dijks, the Alissons of the world weren't on the pitch. But yeah, still great anyway. You've still got James Milner, you got Keita. I know I'm just naming players here. Sturridge, Origi, Lovren for about 2 minutes. All in there. You got to beat what's in front of you, and we did it. Shrewsbury or Stoke away, a nice local away day, very, very nice, magic of the cup and all that. So looking forward to it. Roll on City, roll on Shrewsbury/Stoke. I'll back us against either of them. Great night, hopefully a great video. Hope you guys have enjoyed. I'll see you next time.